What do all these cars have in common? They're all masterpieces crafted by the genius of one man, Frank Stephenson. From city streets to race tracks, his designs have revolutionized the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the mind of this legendary designer and exploring 8 of the most iconic cars he's ever created. So, who was Frank Stephenson? Born in Casablanca, Morocco in 1959, Frank Stephenson is an automotive designer with a career spanning over 3 decades. He's worked with some of the biggest names in the industry, including BMW, Ferrari, and McLaren. He's known for his innovative designs and ability to blend aesthetics with functionality. Stephenson has made a profound impact on the automotive world. Now let's dive into the masterpieces that showcase his genius. Number 8. First up, the Mini Cooper. In 2001, Frank Stephenson reimagined the Mini, breathing new life into this beloved car. The new Mini Cooper retained the spirit of its predecessor while incorporating modern technology and safety features. With engines producing up to 208 horsepower in the John Cooper Works model, this compact car delivers an unexpectedly thrilling drive. Its unique blend of retro styling and contemporary flair made it an instant hit, reviving the brand and setting a new standard for small car design. Number 7. Next up is the BMW X5. Launched in 1999, the X5 was BMW's first foray into the SUV market. Stephenson's design combined the ruggedness of an off-roader with the elegance and performance expected of a BMW. From engine options ranging up to 450 horsepower, the X5 offers impressive capability both on and off the road. The X5's success paved the way for BMW's extensive range of SUVs and crossovers, proving that luxury and utility can coexist. Number 6. Now let's talk about one of the speedsters, the Ferrari F430. Introduced in 2004, the F430 was a masterpiece of design and engineering. Stephenson's work on the F430 showcased his ability to blend aerodynamic efficiency with stunning aesthetics. Powered by a 4.3-liter V8 engine producing 483 horsepower, the F430 can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. Its aggressive lines and advanced technology made it a favorite among car fans and a standout in Ferrari's storied lineup. Number 5. Moving on to the Maserati MC12. This limited production supercar launched in 2004 was designed to bring Maserati back to the forefront of racing. Stephenson's design was both functional and beautiful, with aerodynamic features that enhance performance on the track. The MC12 is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine producing 621 horsepower, enabling it to hit an impressive top speed of 205 miles per hour. The MC12's striking appearance and racing pedigree made it an instant classic. Number 4. Next up, the McLaren P1. Released in 2013, the P1 was a hybrid hypercar that pushed the boundaries of automotive technology. Stephenson's design philosophy was evident in every curve and contour, with a focus on aerodynamic efficiency and futuristic aesthetics. The P1 combined a twin-turbo V8 engine with an electric motor to produce a staggering 903 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. The P1's blend of electric and gasoline power set a new benchmark for performance and sustainability. Number 3. Let's not forget the Ford Escort RS Cosworth. Introduced in 1992, this rally-inspired road car was a collaboration between Ford and Cosworth, with Stephenson contributing to its aggressive design. The Escort RS Cosworth was powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing around 227 horsepower, making it a formidable presence both on the rally circuit and the streets. It's well known for its uniquely designed whale tail with multiple rear spoilers, and impressive handling when hitting the curve. This car became a favorite among rally enthusiasts and highly sought after among collectors. Number 2. Another standout design is the Fiat 500. In 2007, Stephenson gave this iconic model a modern makeover, blending nostalgic charm with contemporary features. The updated 500 retained its compact, playful nature while incorporating advanced safety and technology. The performance-focused Abarth version boasts the turbocharged engine with up to 160 horsepower, offering a more engaging driving experience. Its fresh take on a beloved car quickly made it a global hit, appealing to drivers of all ages. Number 1. And finally, the McLaren MP412C. Launched in 2011, this was McLaren's first production road car since the popular F1. Stephenson's design for the MP412C was focused on performance and precision, with a sleek and aerodynamic body that maximized speed and handling. This speed machine is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 592 horsepower. The MP412C could accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. This was McLaren's return to the supercar market with a bang. Going from compact city cars to high-performance supercars, Frank Stephenson's designs have left an impact on the automotive world. His innovative focus on blending aesthetics as part of the car's function has set new standards in car design, and to this day is still inspiring the next generation of designers. Thanks for joining in this ride through the world of Frank Stephenson. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest uploads. Leave a comment below with your favorite Stephenson design car, even if it's one not on this list. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.